Hi everyone, this is Jani Singh and welcome to my channel. Thank you for all your love on all my videos. I'm absolutely humbled. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful bridal makeup on the stunning Bhavna. I'm going to keep it classic, a beautiful winged eyeliner with nude lips. As usual, I start with a good skin prep and prime using CS Essential products, which is my own brand. I'm also using a toner from Milagro Beauty. For the eyebrows today, I'm using my go-to product. Yes guys, आपने इसे बहुत देखा होगा मेरे बहुत सारे videos पे. This is my holy grail for the eyebrows and I'm using shade 30. Guys, this product is the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow, which I absolutely love. For the eyeshadow base, again I'm using one of my favorite products. You must have seen this over and over again in so many of my videos, the P. Louis eyeshadow base, and I'm using shade 2. What I absolutely love about this product is my eyeshadow game really pops out. Another thing what I love is that it does not crack at all and stays on the oiliest of lids. For the eyeshadow, using the Natasha Denona Gold eyeshadow palette. I'm using this palette for the first time. I managed to get my hands on it at an excellent price at the Black Friday sale. As usual, I start working with the matte colors and I fill it up into the crease. Guys, I'm using CS Essential brushes to do the needful. Remember, great eye makeup is a lot of good blending of different colors. You need to use a lot of colors, yet at the same time, each one should show like a beautiful gradation. Bhavna's got a nice large eye canvas and that's why it takes a lot of art to fill up the right color at the right places. Guys, whenever you do not like eye makeup, that means that the color is not placed right. I also take the shimmers and fill it in and oh my god, they are so gorgeous. For glitter today, I'm using a brand called Iconic. This is from the UK and now it's available in India. Guys, you must check out their Instagram page. Doing my favorite thing now, an eyeliner which I mastered years ago, and I'm using one of my favorite eyeliners from NYX. That eyeliner is not going to look good if the lashes are not done right, and I'm going to add a lot of volume to it using the Forever 52 XL mascara. Before I move on to the skin, I'm just going to take a small blending brush and blend those edges around the eyes so that it looks beautifully blended into the skin. Guys, I've just recently discovered this primer from Hourglass. It gives the most beautiful radiance to the skin. And to conceal and correct today, I'm using the Camouflage palette from Forever 52, picking up the right shades to conceal the darkness and pigmentation that she has on her face. And of course, it goes without saying that I need to blend it perfectly. For Bhavna's skin today, I'm using the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation. I did not have a color which was an exact match, so I had to mix two colors to create the shade. I also like to blend my foundation with the help of brushes and Beauty Blender both. I like my foundation to look absolutely seamless. To highlight the face today, I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin concealer, and guys, be very careful of this concealer. A little goes a long way. In fact, I remember when the first time I had used this one, I had not liked the end result because I thought it was a tad bit too much. However, over a period of time, I have learned how to work around it, and I actually like to apply it and blend it out immediately and then move on to the next area of the face. Bhavna has a round face and that was one of her biggest concerns. So today I'm going to use cream contour techniques on her. I'm using the Fenty Beauty contour stick in shade Truffle. Please note guys, before using the stick I have sanitized it. Once I apply it on the appropriate areas, I just spend all my time blending those edges out. I feel a cream contour can make her face look really harsh, and I really like my brides to look really soft and pretty. So I spend all my time to blend the edges out so that the contour looks absolutely seamless. And as I keep working with CS Essential brushes, it comes to a point where I do feel the face looks absolutely perfect and blended in. I'm going to share some tips on how to create the ultimate lift on a person's face. I'm taking a concealer lighter than the color we have applied previously, and I'm going to add a few dots on the highest point of the cheekbones. I'm also going to take that concealer and I'm going to apply it along the edges of the winged eyeliner. And I'm going to take the same concealer and I'm going to add 2 dots to the arch of the eyebrows and blend it out. Do try this out and let me know what do you think about this technique. Next step, I'm using Hoola, the bronzer from Benefit. It's a matte one, and I'm adding more depth and more dimension to Bhavna's face. I'm also taking an illuminator and I'm applying it on the highest points of Bhavna's cheekbones, on the bridge of her nose, in the center of her forehead, on her lip area. I'm blending it all out. I'm also topping it up with the Viseart highlighter, one of my favorite palettes. It's called Tempo. For the blush, next step, I am using the Love palette from Natasha Denona. This looks absolutely gorgeous on the skin, adds a beautiful glow, and I love the way it looks. Now using the Huda Beauty powder to set this entire makeup into place. I like to apply this with a brush and not with a beauty blender. Now using CS Essential lashes in style Adele to add the ultimate oomph to the eyes. I choose this style always when I want to keep it slightly heavier. Adding a lot of small detailing to the lower lash line now. I am using a brown pencil. This is one of my favorite brown pencils from Forever 52, guys. Leaving the link in the description box. Do not forget to check it out. I'm also going to seal that brown pencil with the same brown eyeshadows that I've used in the crease. And I'm working with these smaller brushes from CS Essentials for the same. Finishing the look off with a beautiful nude lipstick, and I am using the Forever 52 lipstick palette to create that beautiful peachy shade. I hope you like this tutorial, guys. Do let me know in the comments what you think about it. In case you wish to see something specific, do let me know. I would love to film it for you. Take care, everyone, and do not forget to subscribe.